Hello and welcome to What's on the Shelf. I'm your host Jen, and today we're unboxing Rolling Ranch. Now, this looks super adorable. It is a roll and write. The price point for this is very well done, but it looks so cute. So let's get right down to it and open the box and see what's inside. I really love the artwork for this game as well. It's super unique. Will I have trouble opening the box this morning? Let's see. Yes, I will. The struggle is real yet again this morning. There we go. Should really get like one of those shoehorns, but for boxes. That might help me. There we go. Almost there. It is a fairly light box. Let's see. There we go. So inside the box, we've got the rule book. Fairly simple. And to the point, we have the section that you would write in your information, and it comes with a fairly big pack. You've got these adorable little dice that tell you a number and an animal. You have 4 nice little pencils. And you have a deck of cards. Let's see if I can open this. Does it have that little... No, it doesn't. So I will open these at a later date, but as you can see from the front of card that we can see, this gives you the abilities of... I think it's scoring the points, is you'll get that many points if you have 10 chickens and 4 pigs. Because you would fill in these little sections here with the animal type or the resource that you currently have available in those sections. Now, I haven't played this game, so don't quote me on this, but this looks incredibly cute and fast to play. Definitely something that will hit the table as soon as it can. Well, that's everything inside the box, and we'll see you next time at the table. Bye, guys.